Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Manasvi, are you okay today? Manasvi is there.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Where are you, Aniket? Aniket,
Ma'am, in my car.
why?
Ma'am, they're putting borewell beside our house, so it's very noisy.
Okay. That's what I'm thinking.
Hi, Rensi, ma'am.
Hello. Ryan is there. I didn't call his name this last 1.5 month over, no? Ryan, are you there? Ryan? Ryan is present. No, I think. Even Nishan also. Nishan? Nishan? Nishan, can you hear me? Have you all downloaded the Argus app, children? Argus.
Ma'am.
So we'll do one thing before the class, 5 minutes before, you have the chat option, no? Chat
Yes,
option.
ma'am.
So there you just put if you have downloaded and you are ready for the this assessment is there, no? Next week onward. So if you have downloaded the Argus and registered means you have to put the yes or thumbs up. Okay, in the chat. Okay. So you just
Yes, ma'am.
remind me. You just remind me by 10:25. No, you will just see. I want to just see how many of you have done. Shall we note now later? Okay. Do you have that option, children? You have, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ah,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And for today's webinar also, I think most of you have registered, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Pranav having something,
I'm Badam.
Okay. Good for health. Dry fruits are good for health, no? And everybody have to attend because you will get the guidelines for the assessment. Okay. So don't miss it. It is mandatory. All the children have to attend it. What time it is?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay. I think Vaibhavi can comb your hair and tie it. Why? Just got up from the bed, I think. No? Vaibhavi?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Had something?
No, ma'am.
Ah.
I ate little bit, but.
Okay. Amoga is there, no? Amoga, are you there today, Amoga? I can see his name here. Amoga, I'm not going to ask any questions. Amoga, are you present?
Good morning, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, last class my mic was not working. Actually, my headphones did not have charge and my earphone mic is broken.
Okay,
What
turn
works
on
in
the
your house?
video. Turn on the video. Let me see.
Good morning,
Ma'am, one
ma'am.
second, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Jaypreet also is there today. Jaypreet, where were you yesterday? Jaypreet?
Ma'am.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday you were not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
My laptop wasn't working, so.
Okay. Next week you have the assessment. That you know, no?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
I know, ma'am.
Amoga, Then who else? Rayan, are you there today, Rayan? Rayan is absent. Oh, Jaypreet, good morning. Happy to see
Hi,
you.
ma'am. Same to you.
So now through virtual classes, what all things you are missing than the physical class, children? Hmm? All are happy with virtual learning? Huh?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, what you are missing, I am asking. Kanika?
Ma'am, the interaction is less, I believe. Like in class, it's fun. Here, it's so boring.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no jokes, ma'am. So
Ma'am, there are no jokes to the class. There's no
Yeah,
feeling.
ma'am, it's very boring. Feel like sleeping.
Sitting at home and listening is boring.
Yeah, ma'am.
But in between we are talking, no?
Ma'am, every day I check the news to see if, when school is opening.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, okay, good.
Ma'am, will it open in June?
No idea, no idea. Hmm.
No,
guess
no,
it's
not June.
Not June.
But I'm enjoying.
Who is that? Gautam? Hmm? And Reva also, I didn't speak from the day one. Reva, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on the video, let me see. Reva, Rayan, all these kids good morning, Reva. Happy to see you.
Aniket, what are you doing in your car,
What are you doing in the car?
Next to his house, borewell digging it, so lots of noise. So he secured himself in the car. Okay.
what about internet?
See, Kevin.
Mobile data.
Mobile.
Hotspot connection.
Okay, then we'll start the class. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Vivan, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Vivan became thin again, I think. Eat nicely, okay? At home, no? Whenever you want, you can have. Okay, so we'll start the class. Today, I thought we'll be discussing the development and power sharing. Okay, so so in the introductory portion, we learned that the people have different developmental goals, and each person developmental goal will be conflicting with the other person. Okay, what are the example? Any one example, Vivan? Any one example? First class we have learned, no? Virtual learning first chapter was development, no? So we tell me, Vivan.
For a rich person, development might be the removing slums. And,
Yeah.
But then
Correct.
it will not be development for the people who live there.
So the other people, those who are living in the slum, it will be a destruction. Okay. So the developmental goals will be different for each and every person, and one person developmental goal will be destructive for the other. And we have learned different examples also. I don't want to explain all these points now. Last two sentences. Reva, just read last two sentences. Reva, 1, 2, it's written there. Just read it. No need to turn on your video. Just you read it.
Developmental goals are different for all, and whatever is most important is what people seek for. Developmental goals will differ from individual to individual. What may be development for one may not be development for the other. If it may even be destructive for the other.
Good. Okay. Then we learned about the examples, category of people. Two have given, two answers are given here. So farmers who depend mainly on rain for growing crops. Amoga, what will be the developmental goals? Farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. What will be the developmental goal? Amoga?
Ma'am, they might have ideas of building their own irrigation systems.
Their own irrigation system. Enough.
Improving crop produce.
Yeah, good. What about urban unemployed youth? Aniket? Urban and unemployed youth. What will be his developmental goal? What will be his aspiration? The unemployed youth in the urban area. Getting?
He will need a job, getting job opportunity.
Getting job opportunity in good reputed companies. Okay, so like that, each person is having his or her own developmental goal. Okay, and here the next, what is the definition of income? Income is the sum of all wages, salaries, payments, rents, and other forms of earnings given period of time. We can say whatever we are getting in the form of money will be called as income. And we have also learned that besides income, what are the other goals people seek? Pranav, besides income, what are the other goals people seek?
People see, besides income, people see about job security, the respect they get in the environment, and the
freedom,
transportation, freedom.
Okay. So the quality of our life is depends on non-material things mentioned above. See, freedom, security, equal treatment, respect from others. Okay, this may not be easily measured, but cannot be ignored and are as important. As for development, a mix of goals is what people look for, which includes not only better income, but also non-material factors, okay, which we cannot touch or only we can feel that, okay. Then coming to the next, what is national development? The national development refers to the progress and ability of a country or countries to improve the social welfare of the people, providing basic amenities, good education, infrastructure, medical care, and social services. So here, what is the difference between national income and per capita income? Spandana, what is the difference between national income and per capita income?
Per capita income is total population.
Total income divided by population.
By total population.
What is total national income?
National income is the total income of all the people.
All the people, those who are in the country, and also the income from abroad. Those who are working in Indians are working in abroad. Okay, that will together we can call it as national income. So per capita income is equal to. So this also can be asked for your multiple choice. Per capita income. Per capita income is also known as Tanvi. Per capita income PCI is also known as. Tanvi, are you there?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Is it average income?
Average. Good. Good. So we know World Bank is considering the development of the country mainly on per capita income. So we have already learned in 2013 the country's income per capita income is 12,736 per year US dollar. That countries can be called rich countries, and the countries per capita income less than 1,045. And India is coming in the middle income countries. Some features of per capita. It creates relationship between income and population. World Bank uses per capita income for classifying countries as developed or underdeveloped. So what is the difference between the
Ma'am, can you go to the previous slide for a second?
Yeah.
The values of the per capita income of US dollar 12,736. It is different from the textbook.
So that's what that time I told you. What is
current
status may be in the new book. Okay, you can write that now. No problem.
Okay,
so we learned World Bank is measuring the countries depending upon the per capita income. And UNDP is measuring how it is measuring the countries. Vaibhavi? According to UNDP, World Bank is measuring or classifying the countries based on the per capita income or average income. Pranav is looking somebody in between. Who is coming and disturbing you there? Is it your brother? Pranav?
Your mic is not working.
My brother.
That's what. Ask him to come after the class. Okay, tell him. So, what measures UNDP has taken to classify the countries? Vaibhavi, can you hear me? Vaibhavi? Sudesh, tell me.
Ma'am, infant mortality rate, literacy rate, and net attendance ratio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Along with income.
BMI also.
Along with the income, they are taking into account infant mortality rate, that is education, health, and net attendance ratio. All these things they will take into account to classify the countries. Okay. Then we learn average or per capita incomes are useful for comparison, but they also hide disparities. Who will explain this? Who can explain? Kanika, can you explain? Kanika? If you don't know, yes, ma'am, I don't know. If you know, just that's all. If you are not answering, Kanika, tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't. No problem. No problem. If you are answering,
Can I tell?
Tell me, Pais.
Ma'am, no, Darshil.
Darshil, tell me. Good.
Ma'am, suppose if there are two countries, so in one country the income might be equal for everyone. Like in country A, people almost have equal income.
And Darshil, what is the average of country A and B? What is the average? Average is how much? Pais, any idea?
5,000.
10,000.
10,000. 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So Darshil, average is 10,000.
10,000.
Okay. Now tell me.
Ma'am, but in country B, everyone gets 500, but the last person gets 48,000. So it's, the income is not divided equally.
Income is not divided equally, but the average, both the countries,
it's equal.
It's equal. Okay, very good, Darshil. Very good. Great. The next question, the infant mortality rate. That Pais can answer. Pais is seeing the hairstyle now. Pais, tell me. Infant mortality. What is infant mortality rate?
Now, the number of deaths per year by 1,000 births.
5,000. Infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate. You read the first sentence on the slide.
Infant mortality
louder,
rate
louder.
Infant mortality rate is the death of a child less than 1 year of age as proportion of 1,000 live births in a year.
Understood. So in a simple term word, how we can say, how we can define infant mortality rate?
Ma'am, the number of live births per
children less than 1 year died in proportion to how many?
1,000 live births.
1,000 live births. Okay. So infant mortality rate, also called as IMR, indicates the development of health facilities in a country. In India, Kerala has the lowest and the Bihar has the highest. That also, I'm telling you, whatever information is given in your textbook, according to that you learn. Okay, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Literacy. The measures the proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group who can read and write with understanding. That is called as the literacy rate. Okay. Again, net attendance ratio is the number of total number of children of age group 14 and 15. So one thing I am telling, when you are revising for your assessment, all these age group you have to specify properly. So in the previous slide, we learned that literacy, how many years above?
7 years.
7 years. Then this net attendance ratio 14 and 15. Okay. Now we will come to the body mass index. What is body mass index? Sri Gauri, what is body mass index? Gauri? Gauri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Gauri. What is body mass index? Fast.
Ma'am, it's the ratio of height and weight of a person.
Yeah, how we can calculate it?
Ma'am, I forgot, ma'am.
Weight by square.
Dhruv will answer me. Dhruv, are you there, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Dhruv, how we will calculate body mass index, BMI. What is the equation for that?
Ma'am, it's the weight of a person
divided by
height or something.
Height or something.
Height divided by height square.
Height
Square of
square
height.
in meters. Okay, Sunidhi, once again you tell me, Sunidhi.
I said that.
No, I'm asking Sunidhi.
Ma'am, is the weight in kg divided by the square of the height?
Right. In
Meters.
meters. Okay. So this also we can expect. Okay, like they may give height in centimeters, something and all. If they are giving, or you have to think and write properly.
Numerical.
No.
Numerical also.
No, only equation can be only for this MCQ. Now see, this Haryana, Kerala, Bihar, you can compare all these we have discussed already. So money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you need to live.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, that Haryana, Kerala, and Bihar, will that table also come for exam?
Usually it won't come, but for annual this next exam and all, when you will try, when you learn, you have to. But numbers and all they won't ask you. Maybe they will give this table and from that they can ask the question. Okay.
Oh, okay.
You only
that will
said
be
the
easy
question
for
paper,
you.
right?
No, that will be easy. Yeah. Shruti, tell me, money in your pocket, justify the statement. Money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services. Justify the statement.
Like through money you can't always get all the services, the proper services which is also needed for quality living.
Example, two examples you can see. Any two examples.
Healthcare facility and then maybe pollution-free environment.
Protection from disease, what we are facing now. Okay, with money in America, how many people have died? Okay, though they are very rich and they are having lots of money, but they can't. No. So many things we cannot buy with the money. Okay, so that is what it is given here. Money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you need to live well. Okay, Human Development Index already we discussed. Life expectancy at birth, literacy, all this definition you by heart. Okay, learn thoroughly all the definitions. Life expectancy at birth, literacy rate of population, PCI, all these it is given here, no, in the textbook. So that you have to learn. Again, sustainable development, we all know, without balanced development, and we have to think about our future generation. Okay, so these are the important topics are there in the developmental chapter. So I have prepared only few questions from this particular chapter. I thought because already we are discussing, and many questions I have prepared from the other chapter, power sharing. So the first question, the number of children less than 1 year of age, number of children less than, highest tell me, 1 year of age per 1000 infant mortality rate. Next question, Jaypreet will answer me. Very easy question I have asked you. Development of a country can generally be determined by Jaypreet.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Generally.
Per capita
income.
Generally. See,
Per capita income.
actually through this only we can calculate, but generally we'll think like if per capita income is high, that country is developed. Okay, but see then you have to think about the example of country A and B. Though the per capita average income is same, but the distribution of income is not proper. Okay, so the development of a country can generally be determined by per capita income. Which of the following neighboring countries have better performance in terms of human development than India? Ryan, are you there today? Ryan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me, Ryan. Turn on your video. Let me see your face.
It's on.
Okay. Tell me, Ryan. What is the answer for that question? Which of the following neighboring countries has better performance in terms of human development than India? Among these, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan. Just guess and tell me.
Pakistan.
Ma'am, Bangladesh.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, Ryan. Okay, the answer is Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Okay, Ryan, the answer is Sri Lanka. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show me the table once? It's there in the slide, I think.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka's rank is from 74.
72 or something.
Okay.
Okay,
Sudesh?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the next question? Per capita income is also known as very easy question. Akash. Per capita income is also known as Akash. Akash, are you there? Akash?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Akash. Very easy question. Per capita income is also known as?
Average income.
Average. Good. Assume there are 4 families in a country. The average per capita income of these families is 5,000. If the income of 3 families is 4,000, 7,000 and 3,000 respectively, what is the income of the 4th family?
Ma'am, can I answer?
6,000.
6,000. So next questions are from the power sharing. I think the development chapter is it's easy for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when we have to discuss about the this one, what is that power sharing? The first introductory portion we learned about the ethnic composition of
Belgium.
Belgium. Ethnic composition of Belgium. I'm telling you, 1 mark you will get minimum if you are learning that all that in the Brazil's how many Dutch speaking, then French and also Wallonia region. All this there no Flemish region. So that you learn clearly. Don't get any confusion. You have to make it thorough. That introductory portion, ethnic composition. Okay. Again, coming to the next portion, we have discussed about majoritarianism in Sri Lanka. What is majoritarianism? What is Ananya? What is majoritarianism? What is majoritarianism, Ananya?
Ma'am, it is basically how do I explain this? Like,
Ma'am, can I say?
No. Wait. Let her try.
Dominance over the
majoritarianism. From that term itself you can define.
Ma'am, the majority people will dominate over the minority.
That's all.
Yeah.
Majority is dominating the minority.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the majoritarian, Sunidhi, what are the majoritarian policies implemented? Don't look at here and there. Look at me and say.
Ma'am, Sinhala should be the official language.
Very good.
And then they preferred only the Sinhalese in the universities and job
opportunities.
Yeah, and then they shall foster Buddhism.
They have to foster Buddhism. Good.
Even
So
protect.
that Gautam, any other point?
They introduced the 1956 Act in which they disregarded Tamil and it put Sinhalese as a national language.
Again, we learned about accommodation in Belgium. Jeeval, what is accommodation in Belgium? Jeeval can answer. Jeeval, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just try? Jeeval, turn on your video. Let me see. Any problem is there? Internet problem is there?
No, I'm using phone, so I can't keep it steady.
Okay. No problem, Jeeval. Can you just try accommodation in Belgium? How the Belgians solve the ethnic conflicts? Only headings you say. No need for any explanation.
They divided the powers to all the sectors so that there'll be equality.
Constitution, what they have done, Dutch and Spanish speaking people have equal
rights.
Equal ministers.
Representation in central government.
Central government has been given a share to the state government. Then
no decision can be taken by
Community government.
And also community government is there. And What is the community government? Jeeval, can you tell?
Community government is all the decisions related to the livelihood and
Cultural,
culture,
educational, and
religion,
language.
all. That's the government that should be taken by the.
Now, in Belgium, how they have formed the community government? That is generally we can say. In Belgium, how they form the community government?
Linguistic groups.
Tell me. Elected by people belonging to one language community. Jeeval, here language is more important. Okay. So one language community, speaking community, that is Dutch, French, and German speaking. No matter where they are living in that country. So they are having their own one government. That is known as community government. Jeeval, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, coming to the next topic, we can say that why power sharing is desirable. Why power sharing is desirable? Who will answer me? Only 2-3 points you just generally tell me. Why power sharing is important?
It reduces conflict.
It reduces conflict.
Instability. In the short run, majority
decision will be fine, but in the long run, it will have negative impact both the minority and the majority. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. And then it has it contains this.
It's
the
a spirit
of democracy.
It's a spirit of democracy. See, once last this Deepti's batch, one question was there, multiple choice. I'll tell you. Dash is the spirit of democracy, and they have written below the options: free and fair election, and one person, one vote, one value, something. Then power sharing. Understood? So no, it was a filling the blanks question, I think. So what is the correct answer for here?
Power sharing.
Power sharing. So few children have written the free and fair election. So you have to be very, very careful when you are writing the answers. Okay, children? Okay. Then again, we have discussed about the forms of power sharing. Very easy. Horizontal. Which are the different forms of power sharing? Kanika, can you just try? Different forms.
Ma'am, horizontal, vertical, then political parties, pressure groups,
Social groups.
then social groups.
Good. Okay. And we know, always think, horizontal means think about the straight line, horizontal line. So legislature, executive, judicial. Okay. But the vertical means, we have the central government, state government, local self-government. Understood? So all these things you can learn. It will be every year I can see children will get confused and they will write horizontal power distribution and they will explain about vertical. So don't miss all these things. Very easy to understand. No, horizontal, just straight line. Legislature, executive, and judiciary. Central, state, local. We know central is having more power than below state. Then below that only local self-government will come. Okay, so learn. Now we will just see the questions. The first question, 59% of the country's population who speaks Dutch lives in dash. I will ask, that child can answer me. Edwin, what is the answer here? Edwin? I think Pius can mute. Your younger brother is shouting there. Tell me, 59% of the country's population who speaks Dutch lives in which region, Edwin? Edwin is not there. Apurva, can you try? You are there.
Flemish region.
Flemish region. Flemish region. Flemish region. Is that correct, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Apurva, second question. Apurva, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. No energy at all.
Ma'am, I answered the first question also.
Oh, okay. First question I didn't ask you, no, Apurva?
Ma'am, you said my name afterwards.
Okay. Sorry then. Why did the Sri Lankan Tamils launch parties and struggle? What is the reason for that?
To recognize Tamil as an official language.
Yes. Next question. Main significance of Belgium model of power sharing. The question goes to Tahia. Third question. If you know, just tell me the answer. Otherwise, ma'am, I don't know. So we need not to waste the time. No. Third question. Main significance of Belgium model power sharing. Majoritarianism, power shared in all ethnic groups according to their population on the basis of adult franchise. None of the above. Tahia, can you try?
Yes, ma'am. It's power shared in all ethnic groups according to.
Good. Very good. Next question. What is coalition government? What is Tanushree? What is coalition government? What is coalition government? Tanu, are you there?
Party.
Huh? Tanu? Tanushree, are you there? Ashwin, can you try Ashwin? Ashwin?
Power shared among different political parties.
Power shared among different political parties. The next question. Where is Parliament of European Union? Belgium. Next question to Harsha. Which of the following community is in majority in Sri Lanka? Harsha. Who is Aniket?
Sorry, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Harsha, can you answer me? Harsha, are you there? Harsha? Manasvi, can you answer me? Which of the following community is in majority in Sri Lanka? Manasvi? No. I'll ask. I have the names of the children. Let me try that. Srishti, tell me. Which of the following community is in majority in Sri Lanka? Sinhalas. Good. Next question. Which one of the following is the third tier government in India? Very easy question. That can be answered by Ashwin. Ashwin answered, no? Then what can Jaypreet, can you try? Which of the following is the third tier of government? A, B, C, D. Which option? You just tell me the option. That's all.
I guess A.
Tell me.
Community government.
Which question you are answering? No, not community. See, Jaypreet, listen carefully. First, here tier means level. Third tier government means the third level of government. First level is central government. Second level is state government. Panchayati Raj government. Okay, Jaypreet, got it?
Okay.
Jaypreet, you have to read the textbook thoroughly. Now coming to the 8th question, federalism is, what is, Navya, not Navya, Daniel, tell me, what is federalism is? B. Government with two or multiple. Correct. Next question, which of the following is not a federal country? Which of the following, Gautam, can you try? Which of the following is not a federal
Malaysia.
country? Easily you can get, no? India we know, Belgium we learn, USA we know. Malaysia. Gautam.
I told
He told, ma'am.
He told. Okay. I didn't hear. Okay, sorry.
We're doing revision for federalism chapter also.
No. Holding together, that is coming in holding together federation, no? Next question. Okay, don't want. Okay. How many languages are scheduled in the Indian Constitution? How many languages are scheduled?
21.
Including Hindi? 22. Including Hindi, 22. How many subjects are enlisted in the this is coming in the federalism chapter, no? Okay, okay, we'll leave it.
A and D are same option.
Then third level of government also come. Now we'll see how many people speak French and Dutch in the capital city of Brazil. How many people speak French and Dutch in the Charvi, are you there? Tell me, Charvi, just try. How many people speak French and Dutch in the capital city of Brazil?
Yes.
Just try.
In Brussels.
Capital of Belgium. Brazil is capital of Belgium. Fast.
Ma'am, 80% French and 20% Dutch.
Yes, 80% French and 20% Dutch. Okay. How many times the leaders of Belgium amended their constitution? Sudesh, how many times the leaders of Belgium amended their constitution?
Ma'am, 1 second.
4 times.
Ma'am, 4 times.
4 times. Sudesh?
In textbook.
Sudesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Page number? Which paragraph you saw that?
I'm still searching, ma'am.
So no use of getting the textbook.
Is there
also.
the accommodation?
So I think even open textbook assessment also will be the same condition, no? Sudesh?
Yeah.
I should give open textbook means in bracket I will write page number 52, para second. Next question.
Yes,
correct, no? History and all
Word
definitely.
also.
History definitely I have to give, I think, no?
Absolutely.
Ma'am, request to CBSE also, ma'am.
Good. The next question. Which one of the following? Rishabh will answer me.
Okay, ma'am.
Rishabh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Which question?
Turn on the video. Let me see.
Net is slow.
Net is slow. No problem. Then answer me. 18th question. Fast. Which one of the following is correct regarding power sharing? It leads to conflict between different groups. It ensures the stability of the country. It helps to reduce the conflict.
B and C.
Both? D option. Good. Which is the official language of Sri Lanka? Very easy question. Official
Sinhala.
language of Sri Lanka?
Sinhala.
Sinhala. Which community was rich and powerful in Belgium?
French.
Yes. So these are the questions. Now I think we have time. What's the time? 28. So you do one thing. You can avail that chat option. In that, the children, those who have downloaded the Argus and ready for the registered for the assessment and all, that children can in the chat you can write yes, or you can show the thumbs up. Then we can total how many children have registered, who are the children. Those who did, simply don't do like that. (18, 21). (26).
Daniel type no.
Sunidhi done?
Yes, ma'am.
Cut your hair also. Huh?
Yes,
Hair you
ma'am.
cut?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. 39. Total the strength is 60, no?
50.
50. So 10 more, 11 more, 40. Edwin, have you done, Edwin?
Everyone will type yes.
And how many of you have started preparing? That is very important, no? Huh?
Me.
All of you?
Yes,
Pranav,
ma'am.
no answer. Huh?
Prana, you studied everything in advance, I think.
And we finished all books. Not
Old book.
chapters and all. He doesn't think in chapters.
No answer. No, Pranav?
Ma'am, I finished it. I'm doing the second round.
Yeah, ma'am. He'll score 100 on 100, ma'am. In board exam.
Let me see. Not only Pranav, many are there.
I
capable of
know.
doing.
Why only me? Everyone is there.
Yeah, then what?
Not I'm
You are the
in 10th.
Some children will be like pious and all, silently they will sit and they will also
Yes,
get.
ma'am. Look at Daniel, pious and all silent killers.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Silent killers in the class. 49 are there, no? Okay, then we will wind up. So,
I mean, that also many of them typed no.
no, okay, let me check that. Later I will
That too, Daniel only typed like some 8 times, ma'am.
Daniel only types.
Danny, where are you now? See, why so many times? You are typing for your brothers also. Huh? Joshua also you are typing. Daniel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You call Joshua. Let me see him once. Joshua is there.
He's playing caroms.
Oh, with the younger one.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, fine. So prepare well as you are. If you are thorough with these two chapters, power sharing and development, concentrate more in history portion. Okay. So what else is there? You just prepare for example, architect of Germany. Then the people, those who were in Italy, who is Metternich, and so many names are there. No, that you just note down. And because it is MCQ, you have to learn only one line. If it is 5 marks, question 3 marker means you have to learn many points at the time. Okay, so it will be easy. And even years also, each headings, what are the important years they have mentioned, that you have to focus. Then small box, Grimm brothers and many things are there. Once you read, I'm not telling you to by heart all the points. Once you read and understand that. Okay. Then regarding history, all the short forms, the countries. Yesterday's question was there, no? Which country is not belonging to Balkan region? Which country is not belong to Vienna Treaty? Understood. So all these you have to focus. And different like Frederick Sarayu's picture, what it denotes. He is explaining about the Ethiopian society. All these things you can learn. Then these things, whatever development and power sharing, whatever we have discussed today, you can go. Okay.
Only 5 questions, right, from history?
No. I'll tell you. History. Yeah. 5 questions only. 5 questions. 5. So all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everybody should score. Okay. 20 on 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Prerna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So read all the portions thoroughly, understand it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will wind up the class. Thank you, children. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Thank you.